Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome. So I just want to say thank you so much to all the people that subscribe to my channel. And then if you are a returning subscriber, what's up? What it do? Welcome to the family. And to those who are new, you also welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. So today I just want to do something a little bit different. I am gonna try to dye my hair. Okay, first time. I'm gonna say that's why I'm this close to the camera. You're right. So I'm gonna try to dye my hair. By myself at home. I bought the products. Yeah, wish me good luck. So yeah, and I also want to change into something different because I don't want to fuck up my t-shirt. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So I also want to say subscribe, share, like, and comment. Yeah. So let's get right into the video.
Left out of space. From the bottom of my heart, from the bottom of my heart. I did hate you. I did hate you. I know if you hate anybody or hold on the grudges. I know if you like that kind name make you.
I think summer is here, guys. I think summer is here. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna comb my hair. The pain. Oh. So this is how it looks like right now. Okay, so I also want to show you the products that I'm gonna be using. So first of all, it's gonna be this bleach. It's a bleach. Yeah, it's saying a bleaching and highlighting. It's a bleach powder, diamond blue and black velvet, and this is also the, I don't know, so I need to mix this two together. So this is the name of the brand that I'll be using today. So you can, let me get it closer to the camera so you can actually see. It's saying this is the black velvet, and it's saying salon approved. So let's hope I don't burn my hair. I don't fuck up my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna start by mixing this two first, and then when I'm done, I'm also gonna be using another product. It's called Black Velvet Color Essence, and it's in the color gray. And then this is the conditioner. So after bleaching my hair, I'll be using this so I can have a bit of a color, a gray hair. So this is also the products. I bought this for 49 rand, and I also got this for 59 rand. I bought this at the store, at Plaza store. I don't know the name of the store. It's like a random store. They sell hairpiece, they sell hair product, they sell shampoos, like everything that has to do with hair. They sell everything there. So I'm gonna just start by mixing the bleach powder, mix them together, put them on my hair, and then leave it. Let me just read the instruction because I have no idea how many minutes should I be leaving this on my hair. So yeah, let's it's saying store in a safe place, always wear rubber gloves, and I don't have gloves. And I'll be mixing it into this bowl. I'm no longer using it, so I'm gonna use this to mix the product inside of this. So, and I'm gonna use the plastic because I don't have a glove. So yeah, I'm just gonna use a plastic to apply it on my hair. So first of all, I'm just gonna mix the product, and I'll be back after I am done mixing the product. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna put a little bit of a powder, like this powder, and I'm gonna put it in there inside the bowl, just put a lot of it. And then I'm gonna also put this afterwards, the mixer. I don't want to put a lot, so I'm just gonna start by putting it into a bowl in small portions. So yeah, because I'm not sure how much should I be using on my hair. Okay, now I'm mixing everything together. So I just want it to be so soft, like you see now it's still a bit sticky, so I want it to be like watery. I hope I'm making a sense. So yeah, I'm gonna mix this product. So yeah, I'll just show you when I apply it on my hair, ne? I'm so scared. Whew, okay, so I am done. So this is how it looks like. I'm so scared. Okay. Put everything on my hair, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna come back. Woo. Okay, I am done applying the bleach on my hair. Oh, my forehead. Yo, but sis. It's so itchy. Like I feel like I could just scratch my it's so itchy, and I can already see that my hair has turned a little bit of it's not blonde. I think it's more like a caramel blonde. Yeah. So I would just want to read the instruction on how and the application on how you should apply it, and I read them before, and I'm also gonna read them for you guys. So it's saying application. For good result, the correct application is extremely important. Step 1, mix one part powder with 2 parts creamy peroxide until a creamy mixture is obtained. Okay, I did that. Step 2, apply to desired hair strength with a brush. I don't have a brush, so I was just using my hands. How am I using my hair on my head? I got. Step number 3, leave on for 20 minutes to obtain desired lift. While checking, rinse off through with a warm water. And number 4, oh no, that was number 3. Number 4, it's rinse off thoroughly with warm water. Number 5, shampoo and condition hair as normal. And it's in Tropical Eden Trading. This is, I think, the street. It's in Joburg where they use the company where they get it the bleach from. And this one, it's saying, so what I was reading, it was like a beach, a beach, a whole entire beach. Yeah, what I was reading, the instruction that I was reading was for a bleach powder. And now I'm gonna be reading a diamond blue. This is the diamond blue creamy peroxide. This is the creamy peroxide, and it's saying, warning, always use glove and avoid contact with skin. Store in a safe place out of reach of children for external use only. Do not use on your scalp that is irritated or damaged. Do not use around your eyes. If product gets into your eyes, immediately rinse it with water, with cold water. Consult a physician if needed. Okay, lutlile or ke translate the last one, huh? Try translate. So yeah, I'm still waiting for, how long has it been? Yeah, wow, it's more like a spongy texture. Let me stop like touching it with my hands. It's so dry here. Why? Yo. Okay, let me just leave it for just few minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it off and we're gonna see the result on how it looks like. So yeah, let's get it started. Let's get it. I'll be back. Okay, so after washing my hair, this is what it looks like. Woo! I look like that guy from The Lord of Rings. I forgot his name. With he had elf ears. What is his name? I forgot his name. But they're so cute. Okay, so what I'm doing now is that I'm taking enrich conditioner for hair color and the semi-permanent dye, the gray one. So I'm gonna mix this together in one bowl.
You better pop your collar. Oh, come on, I call, come on. Oh, I can see why. Lingela Mona.
Okay guys, so this is the gray one. So this is how it looks like on my hair. But why does it look like it's green or blue? I'm gonna wait for an hour. So in the meantime, I'm gonna read the instructions. I read them before I applied on my hair, so don't come for me. Alright, so what I did is that I mixed the semi-permanent dye and the black velvet enrich conditioner. So the instruction for use: one section for coloring must be bleached, highlighted or blonde. And then step 2, mix one part color with part 2 conditioner and mix them together to form a paste. So you mix this and this. So this is part 1 and this is part 2. You mix them together. And then step number 3, apply paste to the bleached hair and leave for at least an hour. So I started bleaching my hair first before I apply this, the gray hair color. So I bleached my hair first and then I applied this. And then step number 3, apply for the paste to bleach. Apply the paste on the bleach hair and leave for at least an hour. And the longer it stays on your hair, the brighter the color can live. Oh yeah, so that's why now it looks like it's blue. So I need to leave for an hour and then it's gonna give me that light gray that I'm looking for, you know. I hope and pray. Or else and tomorrow I'm going to work. So if it doesn't work, I'm gonna wait a week. And then it's saying the longer it stays on your hair, the brighter the color. It can be left on for 1 or 3 hours. Yeah? What? It can be left on for over 3 hours. It does not contain bleach, so it's gentle on the hair, okay, which is good. Rinse with warm water and style. The color will slowly wash out after several washing over and over the time. So yeah, I think we're gonna wait for that hour or more. But I'm sweating, it's so hot. I think it's the ring light and because I closed the door. So yeah, that's why. Okay, so This one, the enrich conditioner doesn't have any instruction on it. It's only the ingredients on how they use the conditioner. The ingredients on the conditioner, they don't have like instruction to follow or anything. So yeah. So yeah, let's wait for that hour. While we're waiting, I think I'm gonna eat something and drink. You know, I'm not promoting alcohol, okay? Yeah, ne? I like things. I'll be back after an hour. Yeah, after an hour. Peace. Hey guys, I don't know if I'm happy or sad, because if you can see here, it looks like the top part only, it's more gray, and the bottom part is gold. But it looks nice, like it looks nice. I don't know, on the camera it looks like it's blue, gray. I'm not happy though. I am not happy. Yo. Ow. You see, the bleach worked very well, ne? But the gray permanent dye, no. Like, no, get too tone, no. Yo, ow. I don't know, hey. On the camera, it looks like it's, especially from far, it looks like it's blue. When I'm closer, it looks like it's gray. Like light gray. Yeah, this is the result. So I just wanted to come back and close and do the outro. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And yeah, thank you so much guys, and yeah, catch you next time.